opposes gravity. Take an iron nail. Now using a thread, tie the nail strongly towards the end. Take a cardboard box. Now take two small magnets. Let's join them to make a single big magnet. Take a length of adhesive tape and place the magnet in the center and stick it around firmly. Now stick this magnet above the box carefully. Take your nail and string. Hold your nail close to the magnet. Take the adhesive tape and stick it on the other side of the thread. You can see that nail is hovering in the air. Show others the magic of the candy stick moving in between the space of nail and box. Is attracted toward the magnet, but the gravity pulls it down. This demonstrates the balance between gravity and magnetic attraction.